I made these textured papers today, so if you'd like to know how I did it, then carry on watching and all will be revealed. What I've decided to do is to just let this run as I was working in my little studio. I've not done a commentary because sometimes I find that I can't concentrate and talk at the same time. So I'm just leaving it in silence. You can hear when I'm using the braille and the traffic going by, and probably the odd sigh when things go wrong. But I've decided not to put any music on and not to do a voiceover. But you will find at the end of this video, if you carry on watching, I'll explain everything that I've done and go through all the paints and everything else that you need to know. So carry on watching and I'll see you soon. So those are the colours that I use. Started off by putting together some colours just to make a base to work on. So this is the first pull, and this is the ghost print. So the next one I did was, this is the first pull, and this is the ghost print. Let me know which one you like the best, whether or not you like the first pull or whether or not you prefer the ghost print. I'd be really interested to know.